Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Peasy Vocab. Today we are going to learn about creative writing with sequencing. This is very important for beginners as it helps you to write on any topic very easily. So let's see what is sequencing. Introducing the sequence words first, next, then, and last are called the sequencing words. So, why is sequencing important? Sequencing is important for kids or beginners as it helps them know how to put events in the right order. With the help of sequencing, it will be easy for you to write sentences on any topic very easily. Let's take a look at the first example. So, what do you see in the first picture? You can see a girl brushing her teeth, right? In the next one, what do you see? She's eating her breakfast. She's eating cereal. In the third picture, you can see her putting on her backpack, and in the last one, it shows that the girl is going to school and waving goodbye to her mom. As we put all these events in a sequence, they will make sense. Can you put the second one in place of first? Can the girl eat cereal without brushing her teeth? No, right? Tina wakes up at 8 a.m. every morning. First, she brushes her teeth. Next, she eats breakfast. Then, she puts on her backpack. Last, she waves goodbye to her mom. Is everything in order? Yes, right? So, if you clearly distinguish the events and if you put them in order, if you align them, they will make sense and your writing would be perfect. Let's take a look at the second example. So, what do you see in the first picture? You see two kids near a pond, right? In the second picture, you can see an yellow duck. In the third one, you can see a frog, green frog. And the last one, you see a paper boat in water. I saw a lot at the pond today. First, I saw two fishes jumping in the pond, which you can see in the first picture. Next, I saw a yellow duck swimming in the pond. That is your second picture. Then, I saw the green frog jumping onto the rock. This is the third one. Last, I also made my boat float on the water. So, this will make your writing sequencing and using the sequence words will make your writing better. And as you move forward, you will learn to write beginning, middle, and the end of a story. So, these sequencing words are going to shape you and help you write in a better way. So, in the third example, what do you see? You see dough, right? And a rolling pin. And then you're making pizza. In the last picture, you can see a boy eating pizza. What can you write about this? One day, Srivatsa wanted to eat pizza. First, he rolled the dough with a rolling pin. Next, what did he do next? He spread some sauce on the dough. Then he added cheese and tomato slices. Last, he cut the pizza and ate. As you learnt about sequencing, now you should be able to write 3 to 4 sentences on any topic pretty easily. Here is your first prompt. How do you celebrate Christmas? So, you need to organize your ideas to write about your celebrations. In the first picture, what do you see? You see a Christmas tree, right? And they are decorating it with lights, stars, and bells. In the second picture, you can see some gifts given to the kids. In the third one, what do you see? You see a beautiful snowman that was built, right? That was made. In the last picture, what do you see? The family is eating their lunch together. If you have your ideas formed, what is first, what is next, then, and last, your story is done. Your writing is complete. So let's see how do we write. How do you celebrate Christmas? During Christmas holidays, I enjoy spending time with my family. First, we decorate Christmas tree with lights, stars, and bells. Next, we get many gifts from Santa. Then I make a snowman and play in the snow with my sister. Last, our family will eat delicious food prepared by my mom. The second prompt is summer. You're asked to write about summer. So think about different ideas. When you frame your ideas and you sequence them, your job is done. In the first picture, you see a girl writing sunscreen, right? The second one, she's playing with a ball in water. The third one, she built a beautiful sand castle. In the fourth one, you see an ice cream. So, what can we write? Your ideas are framed. I love to go to the beach in summer. First, I will apply sunscreen. Next, I will play with my ball in the water. Then, I will build a beautiful sand castle. Last, I will eat an ice cream and have fun. Isn't it amazing? The next prompt is Diwali. So, what do you know about Diwali? In the first picture, you can see a house is being decorated with lights. In the second picture, you can see Goddess Lakshmi. In the third one, you see delicious sweets. In the fourth one, you see that kids are bursting crackers. Now let's write on the prompt Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. First, we light candles and decorate the house. Next, what do? Next, we worship Goddess Lakshmi. Then, we exchange sweets with friends and family. Last, we burst crackers. This is the most loved festival and we enjoy a lot. The next prompt is haunted house. So it's all about Halloween. So what do you do for Halloween? You do trick or treating, right? In the second image, what do you see? You see a haunted house. Looks like there's a ghost inside. In the third picture, what do you see? You see a black cat. In the fourth one, you see a girl, she's very frightened, right? Now, you already framed your ideas about the haunted house. Now let's begin writing about the haunted house. We celebrated Halloween in our community. First, we went for trick-or-treating. Next, we saw a creepy black mansion house with lots of spider webs. Then, I saw a black cat coming out from the house. Last, I got frightened and ran away from the spooky house. The last prompt is pumpkin carving. So when is pumpkin carving done? It's done for Halloween, right? So in the first picture, you see a girl at the pumpkin patch, then you see some tools, then there's cutting and scooping of the seeds. Finally, you have the jack-o'-lantern. Let's see what to write. First, I went to the pumpkin patch to pick a pumpkin. Next, what did I do? Next, I took it home and gathered all the tools needed for carving. Then I cut the top to scoop the seeds. Last, I carved a face on the pumpkin and placed a lamp inside, and it became a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. That's it. You are done learning about creative writing with sequencing, and you guys are ready to write 3 to 4 sentences on any topic given, any prompt. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos.